This breaking news, Chopper 5 is over a brush fire in San Jose. It's been giving firefighters a challenge for a couple of hours now. At least 2 acres of this dry grass has burned so far, sending up a lot of smoke. This is over the East Capitol Expressway. You can see the crews are out there dealing with little pockets of flames, but that fire, as you see too, it burned right up to some backyards of the homes nearby. Investigators believe the fire may have started at a nearby homeless camp, but they are still looking into that.